Revolutionize your cooking with the Ninja Air Fryer. Are you tired of greasy, unhealthy meals that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated? Do you wish you could enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt or extra calories? Now, you can, thanks to the Ninja Air Fryer. This incredible 4-in-1 kitchen appliance is exactly what you need to make crispy, delicious meals with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Say goodbye to excess oil and hello to healthier, tastier dishes, made quickly and easily right in your own kitchen. The Ninja Air Fryer offers 4-in-1 versatility. Not only does it air fry, but it can also roast, reheat, and dehydrate your favorite foods. That's right, 4 appliances in one. It's like having an air fryer, a roaster, a food dehydrator, and a reheat function all in one compact, easy-to-use appliance. Whether you're craving crispy fries, roasted vegetables, or even homemade jerky, the Ninja Air Fryer does it all. Its 3 8-liter capacity is perfect for cooking meals for the entire family. You can even use it to make batch meals or snacks in no time. But what sets this air fryer apart from others on the market? It's the Air Crisp technology, which ensures your food cooks quickly and evenly, giving you that satisfying golden, crispy texture without the need for excessive oil. With the Ninja Air Fryer, you can enjoy golden, crispy chicken wings, perfectly cooked fries, or even crispy vegetables, all with little to no oil. You'll be amazed at the difference. Let's talk about speed. The Ninja Air Fryer gets your meals cooked faster than traditional methods, saving you time and giving you more freedom to enjoy your day. Cooking crispy fries from scratch can take minutes, not hours, and without the long wait time that comes with conventional deep frying. You can cook up a family-sized meal in a fraction of the time. Think of it as the busy person's best friend. And with up to 75% less fat, you can indulge in your favorite comfort foods without the worry of excess oil. Imagine having a plate of crispy, golden fries or juicy chicken wings with far fewer calories and fats, making it a healthier option that still satisfies your cravings. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to enjoy delicious food while maintaining a healthier lifestyle. But it's not just about frying. The Ninja Air Fryer is 4-in-1, so you can also use it to roast vegetables, cook meats, reheat leftovers, and even dehydrate fruits and snacks. If you love homemade beef jerky or dried fruit, this air fryer is the perfect tool for the job. You can make your own snacks with fresh ingredients, knowing exactly what's going into your food, and you'll save money while doing it. One of the things people love most about the Ninja Air Fryer is how easy it is to use. It has simple, intuitive controls that make meal prep a breeze. No complicated buttons, no confusing settings, just a few easy steps to cook delicious food. It's the perfect solution for anyone, whether you're an experienced cook or someone who's just starting out in the kitchen. And when it comes to cleanup, the Ninja Air Fryer makes it incredibly easy. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate ensure that your air fryer stays clean and ready for the next meal with minimal effort. No more scrubbing greasy trays or baskets for hours after every meal. With the Ninja Air Fryer, you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some of our happy customers have to say. I've tried other air fryers, but this one is by far the best. The food comes out crispy every time and it cooks so quickly. I love how easy it is to clean too. 5 stars. I love the versatility of this air fryer. I can air fry, roast, reheat, and even make my own jerky. It's an absolute game changer in the kitchen. This air fryer has completely transformed my cooking routine. The food tastes amazing, and the best part is that it's so much healthier than deep frying. 5 stars. It's clear why the Ninja Air Fryer is one of the most popular air fryers on the market today. People everywhere are raving about how it simplifies cooking, makes healthier meals, and saves time. Whether you're cooking for one, for a couple, or for the entire family, this air fryer gives you everything you need to create delicious, crispy meals in no time. If you're looking for an easy way to cook your favorite foods, save time, and eat healthier, the Ninja Air Fryer is the perfect choice. It's a must-have for any kitchen, especially if you're busy but want to make food that's quick, easy, and most importantly, delicious. Don't wait. The Ninja Air Fryer is flying off the shelves. Click the link in the video description to grab yours today. Once you experience the convenience, taste, and health benefits, you'll never look back. It's a great buy that will change the way you cook, the way you eat, and the way you enjoy food. Get your Ninja air fryer now and make every meal a healthier, faster, and more delicious experience.